In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to a Shopify store. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in your browser tab next to your site title. It helps customers recognize your brand quickly and makes your store look polished and professional. We'll upload it through your theme settings and then save and preview the results. Start by signing into your Shopify admin and heading to your online store section. Then open your current themes editor. This is where you can make visual changes to your storefront. Once the editor loads, look for the Theme Settings panel. Depending on your theme, you'll usually find it in the sidebar. Open the section labeled Logo and Favicon. This is where Shopify keeps the controls for both your main logo and your browser icon. In the Favicon area, click Select. This opens your file chooser and media library. If your favicon is already in your library, simply click it to highlight it. If it isn't there yet, upload it from your computer, wait for it to finish processing, and then select it. When you see it highlighted, confirm your choice by clicking Done. You should now see a small preview of your favicon in the Settings panel. Before leaving the editor, click Save at the top right. Saving is important because changes to your theme settings don't go live until you do. After saving, you can close the selection window or return to the main theme panel. Now head back to Online Store from your admin and open a preview of your storefront. Look at your browser tab. Your new favicon should appear there. If you don't see it right away, try a hard refresh or open your site in a private browsing window. Browsers often cache favicons, so it can take a moment to update. A few quick tips to get the best result. Use a square image, ideally 32 by 32 or 48 by 48 pixels for crisp display in most tabs. A transparent PNG or an SVG works well for clean edges. Keep the design simple and high contrast so it's recognizable at very small sizes. If your theme supports dark mode or multiple color schemes, test that the icon still looks clear. Finally, check your site on mobile and desktop, and in a couple of browsers, to make sure the favicon shows consistently. That's all there is to it. You've added a professional look